Ah, Aristotle, the timeless seer whose wisdom dances like stardust in the eternal cosmos, beckoning us to journey into the heart of existence itself. Envision him as a cosmic conductor, his hands guiding the universal orchestra, each movement revealing the sacred secrets of creation. Through his four causes, he illuminates the pathways of becoming, each cause a shimmering note in the celestial symphony. Together, they resonate, weaving the intricate tapestry of reality where all things emerge in their divine splendor. Let's now delve into the four causes: material, formal, efficient, and final. The material cause, the essence of substance. Imagine, if you will, a wooden chair, a humble yet profound creation. The material cause is the very substance of this chair, the wood. It's the raw, tangible stuff from which the chair springs to life. Without this wood, the chair could not exist. It's like the cosmic clay from which the sculptor molds his masterpiece. The formal cause, the shape of things to come. Now, let's delve into the form of our wooden chair. The formal cause is the blueprint, the divine design that gives the chair its identity. It's the elegant shape and structure that tell us, yes, this is a chair and not a table. Imagine it as the dance steps that the cosmic forces follow to bring the chair into being, distinguishing it with grace and purpose. The efficient cause, the artistry of creation. Enter the carpenter, the cosmic artisan who breathes life into the wood. The efficient cause is the creative force behind the chair's existence, the hands and tools that shape it, the artistry that transforms raw material into a functional piece of furniture. It's the dynamic process, the burst of energy that sets everything into motion. The final cause, the purpose of being. Why does the chair exist? It exists to offer a place of rest, a sanctuary for weary souls. It's the deeper meaning, the reason behind the chair's existence. This is the ultimate why, the purpose that resonates through the cosmos and gives the chair its place in the grand tapestry of life. Form and matter, the cosmic ballet. At the heart of Aristotle's philosophy is the interplay between form and matter. Form is the essence, the soul of an object, while matter is the substance that embodies it. Together, they create the cosmic ballet of existence. Imagine a wooden chair's form as its divine purpose and structure, and its matter as the earthly substance. Together, they dance in harmony, shaping the nature of reality. Aristotle's empiricism, the journey of experience. Aristotle, the seeker of truth, grounded his wisdom in the rich soil of experience. Unlike his mentor Plato, who delved into abstract realms, Aristotle celebrated the beauty of the tangible world. His philosophy of empiricism shines like a beacon, guiding us to understand that knowledge flows from our experiences, from the dance of our senses with the world. The constant flux, the dance of change. Aristotle saw the universe as a ceaseless dance of change, where every entity is in a state of becoming. Just as a seed grows into a mighty tree, the cosmos is in constant flux, embracing transformation. The changing seasons, the growth of life, these are the rhythms of existence that Aristotle celebrated. Change is not random, it's a divine principle, a dance choreographed by the cosmic forces. The prime mover, the cosmic source of eternal motion. In the vast expanse of Aristotle's philosophical cosmos, the prime mover emerges as a radiant and profound concept, a celestial force that orchestrates the dance of existence with divine elegance. Imagine a boundless, luminous source, the very essence of unchanging reality, from which all motion and change flow like rivers from a pristine spring. The essence of the prime mover, pure actuality. The prime mover in Aristotle's vision is the ultimate wellspring of all that moves and changes. Picture this entity as the eternal, unchanging core of the universe, a state of pure actuality. It is not merely potential or possibility, but the full realization of existence itself. In its presence, there is no waiting, no becoming, only the ever-present actuality of its being. It is like the unbroken thread of pure consciousness that underlies the tapestry of reality, untouched by the waves of time and change. The source of motion, the eternal catalyst. In the grand cosmic ballet, the prime mover serves as the divine catalyst, inspiring motion and change without itself being moved. Visualize it as a source of pure, unending energy that sets everything into motion, yet remains unaffected by the very dance it initiates. This eternal force ignites the movements of the universe, acting as the profound cause behind all that stirs and shifts. It is the silent symphony conductor, guiding the orchestra of existence with a timeless, unchanging presence. Distinguishing the prime mover, beyond personal deity. It is essential to differentiate Aristotle's prime mover from a personal deity, some call God or Allah, found in other traditions. While both are seen as ultimate sources, the prime mover is more an abstract principle than a personal God involved in human affairs. It does not possess will, intention, or personality. Instead, it exists as an intrinsic, necessary being that explains the dynamic fabric of the cosmos, a principle of existence that transcends personal intervention. Eternal change and the unchanging core. In Aristotle's framework, the universe is a realm of perpetual flux, where everything is in a state of becoming, evolving, and transforming. Amidst this cosmic flow, the prime mover remains a steadfast, unchanging core. This eternal principle provides a coherent explanation for the observable motion and change within the universe. It is the steady heartbeat of existence, ensuring that while the world dances through endless cycles of change, it remains grounded in a singular, immutable reality. The harmony of change and constancy. The relationship between the prime mover and the dynamic nature of the universe reveals a profound harmony. Change and stability are not at odds, but are intertwined in a divine dance. The prime mover's constancy provides the foundation upon which the cosmos can unfold and evolve. It is through this eternal principle that the ever-changing world finds its ultimate explanation and coherence, offering a unified vision of how the universe thrives in its ceaseless motion. Aristotle's legacy, the cosmic ripple. In the grand symphony of wisdom, Aristotle shines as a radiant star, his insights resonating through time and space. His teachings on metaphysics, ethics, logic, and nature have created ripples that shape the very fabric of philosophy and science. Medieval philosophy. The reawakening. During the Middle Ages, Aristotle's wisdom was revived by Islamic scholars, bringing his teachings to Europe's shores. Thomas Aquinas wove Aristotle's ideas into Christian theology, creating a harmonious blend of reason and faith that guided seekers through realms both divine and earthly. Renaissance and Enlightenment, the rebirth. As the Renaissance unfolded, Aristotle's ideas blossomed anew. Thinkers like René Descartes and John Locke engaged with his principles, each adding their own hues to the evolving tapestry of thought. Aristotle's legacy acted as a guiding light, inspiring exploration and discovery. Modern philosophy. The awakening. In modern philosophy, Aristotle's influence remained profound. Immanuel Kant, exploring metaphysics and ethics, drew from Aristotle's systematic approach, expanding the horizons of understanding. Aristotle's wisdom continued to shape the philosophical landscape, bridging the ancient and the modern. Ethics and political philosophy. the virtuous path. Aristotle's concept of virtue ethics shines as a timeless guide. Alasdair MacIntyre's revival of Aristotle's teachings in After Virtue calls us back to the essence of human flourishing, emphasizing the interconnectedness of virtue and the good life. Science and the scientific method, the quest for truth. Aristotle's empirical approach laid the foundation for the scientific method. His emphasis on observation influenced giants like Galileo and Newton, driving the quest to uncover the mysteries of the natural world. His legacy endures in the pursuit of truth and discovery, logic and analytical philosophy, the dance of reason. Aristotle, the father of formal logic, established the groundwork for logical reasoning. His work in Organon inspired figures like Bertrand Russell and Ludwig Wittgenstein, guiding the exploration of thought and meaning. Aristotle's influence continues to illuminate the dance of reason and logic. Aristotle's legacy is a cosmic beacon, guiding and inspiring through the ages. His wisdom, a timeless force in the ever-unfolding journey of human thought. Epilogue: the eternal resonance. Aristotle's ideas, like cosmic waves, have permeated the vast expanse of human thought, leaving an indelible mark on the history of philosophy and science. His systematic approach to understanding the world, his embrace of empirical observation, and his development of logical reasoning have shaped the intellectual landscape across centuries. As we engage with Aristotle's timeless insights, we join the cosmic symphony of wisdom, advancing our understanding of metaphysics, ethics, science, and logic. In this eternal resonance, Aristotle's legacy continues to inspire, guide, and illuminate the path of knowledge and enlightenment. If you found this Aristotle video of value, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.